Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far, and welcome to this new update on Apecoin and Apechain as well. We'll obviously focus on the price of Apecoin, which we desperately needed to do an update on after the move we got. If you remembered, I mean, we covered Apecoin on Friday, so I tried to keep you updated on Apecoin. I'm not sure for how long I will do that, but if you're interested in that, I will still probably continue, especially if you are interested in that, so let me know. But consider subscribing there. But if you remember the video we made on Friday, we called this move, all right? What you saw Friday, and you can also see that right here, is that especially on the 1 hour time frame, like first of all, we hit a relatively significant level right here at 1.1, which historically is quite a strong support level. And then at the same point of time, you saw down here some fresh momentum coming in, and that's already happened in the morning. Right, so we already saw that when we did the morning update when the price was down here, and then when we broke above 1.16 here, which as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, is kind of the main, that was the main resistance level. Once we broke above that, we knew we would go up. But what I told you is that we need a lot of volume and a lot of momentum to make this a new uptrend. So what we did in the end. Is we just grabbed the liquidity to the upside. We liquidated quite a lot of shorters, which is what you want to do because a lot of people were shorting Apecoin right here. As you can see here, liquidated the shorters and then started to drop back down again, liquidated the longers all in one day. So that is what happened. I mean, in general, my thoughts on Apecoin are still the same. I think there's opportunities here, but at the moment, I don't really see those, right? The main opportunities are catching one of these moves. And I do think we'll have one of those moves again. I mean, for example, what you can see right here is that the open interest actually went up quite a bit down here. So still a lot of positions are opened right now, as you can see, compared to the prices before Saturday the 19th. So last weekend. So there are still a lot of positions that can be liquidated and they will be liquidated, but it's waiting for that volatility to get into a position. And I would say being short on Apecoin right now, unfortunately, for those of you under us that like Apecoin, unfortunately, I think that's the case, because Apechain, which was the main cause why we were this bullish, has not been performing that well. We talked about the transactions, which were up Wednesday and Thursday. They have dropped down now, and I also don't know whether I really trust these transactions. But if you look at the activity, like if you look at how much has been transferred into and from Apechain, look, quite a bit has been transferred. I mean, you can see the net transfers are like 13 million Ape. So that's not nothing, but it's also compared to other chains, it's not that high. And you can see the activity since last weekend. Like last weekend, we had activity, and then some days you actually have some real volume coming into Apechain, but overall it's not much. Right, so that's why in general I'm not that much of a fan of Apechain. Sure, it's added some utility, so yes, we should be trading higher than 75 cents, but right now we're trading at $1, and there's absolutely no sign of any bullish momentum. So unfortunately, look, $1 is a very strong support level, as you can see right here as well, and there's basically support all the way down here. From 1.1, which we have already found support at, all the way down here to 85 cents. So what I think now is that, yes, I don't expect a huge crash, but I do think it's most likely that we will consolidate and then slowly drop down level by level until we're at least like 85 cents. And then from there, maybe we can find and we can form some sort of a long-term consolidation. But I'm not bullish on Apecoin. I mean, if we actually do see some fresh momentum coming in, I'll be the first to tell you, and I'll make an update, and I'll tell you, all right, I think we can pump again, just like I did on Friday. But for now, that's not the situation. All right, so unfortunately, given the technicals, given the fundamentals, I'd say this is most likely. And if anything changes, I'll let you know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.